handling sector. All the works are performed at high professional level in compliance with the label safety standards currently in force. We provide services throughout the entire cycle of scrap handling operations: loading, quality acceptance, sorting. Efficient process design allows minimizing the time and resources spent for processing, unloaded by stationary Seram or mobile Fox cranes equipped with clamshell grabs. After unloading, scrap metal is checked for explosion and chemical safety. Scrap metal sorting mainly takes place during unloading, where the scrap is separated into 3 main stocks according to subsequent processing method: lightweight scrap metal, oversized scrap metal with wall thickness up to 6 mm and oversized scrap metal with wall thickness over 6 mm. Lightweight scrap metal, sheet metal, etc. is baled using one sheet-sized scrap metal with wall thickness up to 6 mm, is cut using processed, so that its size is reduced to 1000 in order to achieve the maximum bulk weight density. The bulk density shall not be less than 0.8 T per cubic meter. Advanced process technologies used ensure consistent quality and high efficiency of metal charge preparation. Into special process containers that are transported to the BOF shop. Efficiency criteria: professional management and process engineering ensure high-quality standards of the performed works. First Metal Processing Company, your reliable partner.